PH1 1418 Series single-station floor model shuttle type heat sealers are designed for small to medium volume production requirements. These machines are specifically designed for medical applications using foils, medical paper, Tyvek, and other heat sealable lid stock. These high-quality machines are ideal for startup companies, backup equipment, cellular production lines, or low-volume in-house packaging. The SB PH1 1418 series machines are designed and manufactured specifically for producing medical device packages in a clean room. Process controls and data collection for FDA third-party validation are included. On-screen calibration of critical process events is available. Starview's machines are network connectable using the standard Ethernet port or optional Wi-Fi router. An operator loads the trays, products, and lid stock into the sealing fixture. The sealing fixture is pushed into the machine and the automatic sealing cycle is initiated by a start button. At the end of a short sealing cycle, the sealing fixture is pulled back, the finished package is removed, and the cycle may be repeated.